HTML has been around for a long time, but today I will introduce you a simpler way of formatting your text. This is where Markdown comes in handy. Let's dive right into it. Open your favorite text editor and create a file with .md extension. We can create a level 1 heading by simply putting a pound sign right before our text and use asterisks to make it bold or cursive. Without the pound sign, it will be just a paragraph. And to know, HTML tags and comments work here as well, but you won't need them anytime soon. In VS Code we can check the outcome by right-clicking on the file name and selecting the Open Preview option. Our heading level will change depending on how many pounds we put. To create a block code, simply put the bigger than sign in front of the paragraph. If not separated by a line break, it will be counted as a single element. Lists are made by adding star, plus or minus signs in front of the text. You can nest them and if needed, create an ordered list. Notice how I intentionally wrote step number 2 twice. The interpreter will ignore it and still output the result correctly. Looks pretty clean and just needs some seamless CSS to make it even more delicious. But we are not done yet. You can create links in your Markdown code by setting the text of the link in brackets and the link itself in parentheses. Also, you can add the ID of the heading, which is the same as the text separated by dashes. And dashes on the separate line will represent the HR element from HTML. In Markdown, it's even possible to write coding blocks by putting triple grave accent mark and writing the name of the language, in our case, shell script. The last thing for today is images. They are written absolutely in the same manner as links with the exclamation mark in front and the alt tag inside of the brackets. That was Markdown in 2 minutes. I'll see you in the next video.